Robert back here. Been talking with Steve. We were talking about generators that get stuck and have a hard time freeing them up. And got an idea. I'm going to try it, see if it works. Okay, generally, if I got one that's being stubborn, I heat and I quench, I heat and I quench. And generally, most of the time, several heating and quenchings, they'll come loose. But every once in a while, you get a stubborn one that don't want to come loose. Occasionally, I can take the tip off of it and I'll put the small drill bit in the vise, just big enough to fit in the hole without damaging the threads. You don't want it too big, you don't want to force it in there, you just want it to slide in. And generally I can do that number right there and free them loose, but sometimes they're just being a booger. But you can only get so much of a grip like that, and you can't hardly push down hard enough. But I've got another idea I'm going to try here. Got this little plumber's flaring vise. Let's see if we can't try this. That gives a grip. Bingo. Moved it a little bit. Let's raise our drill bit up a little bit. Actually, I need a longer drill bit. I think I got it. And she's still seized up there. If I had a longer drill bit or some kind of little rod I put in there that's longer, I could push that all the way out. So Steve, I think that's going to do the trick, buddy. Okay, Steve, right now I can't find anything that's long enough to push that all the way through. But I mean, you will be able to find something. Whether you have to buy a longer drill bit, or I'm sure you can find a little rod of some kind. You probably got one laying around. I probably do here too, just overlooking it. But I think my idea is going to work right there. Give it a try, buddy. Okay, if y'all like these kind of videos, be sure to like, share, subscribe. God bless.